Hi everyone, my name is Lara and I am one of the product marketeers here at Showpad. Within our team, I am responsible for researching our personas, our key industries, and the unique challenges that they face due to their complexity or their company size. Now, the input that I gather, I then give to my key stakeholders, demand generation, sales enablement, and ultimately our customer-facing teams. That input can take many forms, but it's always related to content, be it an infographic, a video, an ebook, a one-pager, and so on and so forth. All of these content formats have the same challenge: how to make them most effective for our customer-facing teams to use. And that's what I want to be talking to you today. Because if you fail to resolve that challenge, what you'll risk is losing 14% of your marketing budget. Because that's what a recent Salesforce study has shown is the average budget that is allocated to content marketing initiatives in B2B organizations. So what can you do? Well, 4 tips that I'll be giving you today that can already set you on the path to content success. Tip number 1, start by mapping out your buyer journey. And for each stage, look at the content that you have that is mapped to that particular stage. This will already give you a view of where content is lacking and start filling in those gaps. Tip 2, if you have a content management system, check if it can provide you with metrics on usage. That way, you'll already see which content is most popular for your sellers. See what they have been accessing the most, because that means that they have been sending it out the most to your buyer as well. Take it one step further, and that's tip number 3. Look at your top sellers, interview them, get to know the content that they prefer working with. And if you want to take it even one step further, talk to your recent customers that have just signed up, and just ask them, what was the content that you received throughout the buyer journey, throughout your journey until you signed with us, and which one was most impactful? Was it that one-pager? Was it that infographic? Or was it that video? Tip number 4, and this might be a tricky one. I know it, I've suffered from it as well. Try to get in as many prospect meetings as you can. And I know that we don't want to overwhelm our prospect with 10 people from the company just sitting there and listening in, but it can be so valuable because what you'll see is key content. For instance, for us, we have one deck that always needs to be presented in one of the first meetings. You'll see how your sellers are positioning that deck, and you'll see the reaction of your buyers in real time. If you notice that they are dozing off, then it might be related to 2 things. Either the positioning of your sellers needs some work, you can fix that with more training, more enablement. Or it means that you'll probably have to go back to the drawing board with regards to your content and tweak it a little bit so that next time buyers will react to it more positively. So, these were the 4 tips that I wanted to leave you with. I really hope that they can help you, and I wish you all the best on your journey. Bye!